So a little bit ago, I went down to a local micro center and bought some of the parts I need my new personal rig update. And if you guys want to go see how I plan this out, link in the video below, as well as a little thing right here. I keep on getting it mixed up. This is hard. But a plus to that is, while I was there, they had a test bench I could buy. It's Cooler Master's test bench. It's not a bad one. It is the Cooler Master. Master Frame 700 customizable open air frame PC case. So it can be either a showcase or it can be a test bench. In this portion, I'm using it as a test bench. So let's get on to me unboxing and putting this together. All right, after putting everything kind of spread out, I found the instructions. They were under the glass. I'm brilliant. So it seems pretty straightforward. This is for assembly for the open air mode. I need assembly for the test bench mode, which looks like I have to set it up for the... Actually, no, I could probably use this. Okay, I'm good. And some kitties decided to join me. It's gonna be fun. Okay, I got it built, and we're just gonna look at this now. So I haven't put the standoffs on yet. Yeah, they're just in this little baggie right now because I don't know exactly which one I'll need for the motherboard. So when I get the motherboard on this, I will set them up. But for now, that is all I can do until the computer build, because this is going to be where my old computer goes. Little update. I have decided to full send upgrade the entire computer, which means I'm basically building a new one. I just picked up a little bit of it yesterday, actually, when I got this nice little thing from Micro Center. I got a Ryzen 7 5800X. It's still not like balls to the walls amazing. There is better still, but it is enough for what I'm doing. So I will leave a link down below to Micro Center for this little present right here, and that should do it. I do have a plan for where I'm going to put it. Big, a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but it's going to go right where my computer is right now. So I'll just take, when I rebuild the computer, this is going away. The test bench is going to go right here, and the new computer will go on my left where my monitors are. It'll be a little more cluttered, but it should be fine. We'll find out. So let's transition back to the computer. So all in all, the test bench isn't horrible. I haven't set it up yet. It's going to go right here. This computer is going away. The new computer will go on my left. And the test bench will go here with the old parts going on the test bench. I do need to buy some extra RAM for it. I'll probably just grab something kind of cheaper and dependable and slap it on there. But that is how the test bench is going to go. I think it's going to be beautiful. And it'll give me a chance to do a couple things. For instance, I can now test to see how well certain components work together, and also in case there's new cards that come out or even new parts in general, I can give benchmarks and put them out for you guys if you have any requests on certain parts that go together. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you guys have any certain benchmarks you want me to do when I finally get all this put together. At the moment, I have a couple in my head, a couple of synthetic benchmarks and a couple game benchmarks. But if there's any game benchmarks you guys really, really want to see, leave a comment down below. I would just love more ideas. I'm thinking at the moment Borderlands 3 is a good game to have a benchmark on, because it is neither a G-Sync or a FreeSync game, I think. No, I'm not thinking that. It doesn't focus more on NVIDIA or AMD when it comes to how well it works. It's just how it works is how it works. So guys, again, thanks for tuning in and have a good day.